just wanted to officially introduce you to a couple of our animals that we have here. This is Bishop. He's our house cat. He's sleeping. I was going to see if I can wake him up. Bishop. Bishop. He's a really big cat. He's really sweet. Hey, you get up. But yeah, we, I think it's been like maybe 3-4 months ago, we had a cat named Pete. Brenly, my oldest, has had him for a really long time, since she was 1. And she, we found him outside, dead, so we immediately got her a new cat. And so this is Bishop. We got him from the Humane Society, and he's really, really sweet. And he's really, really big. This is another one of our animals. This is Batman. He's our bunny. We keep him inside. He is kitty litter trained inside his cage. He is pretty sweet. He is a little Houdini and is constantly getting out of his cage. But yeah, so this is one of the other animals that we have in our farm. But yeah, this is Batman. And I would like to introduce you to my 2 dogs. I have Riley right there. And then I have Macy right here. Hi, babies. What y'all doing? So these are our 2 dogs that we have on the homestead. Macy is a pit bull mix. She's like 7 or 8 years old. Then Riley is like a terrier mix, and she is, I feel like 5 or 6 years old. We found her at Red River when we were 4-wheeling. It was before we had kids. She was so skinny, really, 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 really skinny, and so we kind of nursed her back to health and have her ever since. But yeah, she's a pretty good dog. She's really rambunctious. Macy is more my, like, calm one and just likes to lay around and likes to be outside. Alright, but those are our 2 dogs as well. Yeah, wanted to just show you some of our farm chores that we're doing. I've had some questions regarding like cleanup for like the geese and stuff, because in some of my videos you see that there is some poop all over. I pretty much clean it every 3 to 4 days, just because of my work schedule. I'd love to clean it more often, but unfortunately, just because life happens, I can't. So let's get to it. I'll show you kind of the stuff that I do on my days off around the farm here, and cleaning up after them, feeding them, watering them, and all that stuff. So let's get started. The loud one over here is my boy geese. You can tell he has a bigger bump on his beak. The other two, they're smaller. Those 2 are girls. And the boys are a lot louder, and he's very loud. He's never quiet. And he's also a lot braver. He like is more active to me. See how close he is? Come here. What? Why are you being like that, huh? What? What? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. What? 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 Are you shedding your feathers? Yeah. You shedding your feathers? Be nice. Be nice. Don't. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What are you doing? There ain't nothing. Don't bite my shoes. There ain't nothing there. Don't. Stop it. There's nothing in my shoes. Are you in a bad mood today? You in a bad mood? I'm going to cleaning out the stalls. And after I spray down everything, now I'm going to sweep all of it up and go from there. Do a quick job. much a workout. And then I will show you the baby chicks and how much they have grown, which is a lot. That's a lot of eggs. Good job, girls. Laying all these eggs. I almost don't have enough room in the basket. And then we've got one lone one right here in the entrance of the chicken coop. That's funny. I guess they didn't want to lay it in the thing. These are the baby chicks. They are starting to get feathers. You can see. And they are getting so big and cute. Have to watch out, they'll try to make an escape. Hi, baby. Nope, you can't escape. Nope. You can't escape. Nope. This one is really interested in escaping. But yeah, they are so cute. I can't wait until they get older. You are a little Houdini over here. He's trying to get out.